If you want to add AI music to your videos in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to import your AI music and place it into your edit so you can improve the mood, energy, and overall feel of your video in just a few simple steps. This is a super useful trick whether you're editing short-form content, YouTube videos, Reels, or any other project inside CapCut. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut and look at the top toolbar. From there, click on the Media tab. This is where CapCut lets you bring in files from your device and organize the assets you want to use in your edit. Once you're inside the Media section, find the Import button and click it. After that, browse your computer or device and select the AI music file you want to use. Make sure you choose the correct audio file so you don't import the wrong track. Once you've selected it, CapCut will load the music into your media library. Give it a moment to finish importing if the file is a little larger. Now that your AI music is imported, the next step is to add it to your timeline. Simply click and drag the music file down into the audio or timeline area of your project. Position it wherever you want the music to begin. If you want it to start right at the beginning of the video, place it at the start of the timeline. If you want it to come in later, drag it to the exact point where you want the sound to begin. Once it's on the timeline, you can play back your video and check how the music fits with your visuals. This is where you can fine-tune the timing and make sure the audio matches the pacing of your edit. If needed, you can trim the music, move it around, or adjust the volume so it blends smoothly with your video, and that's it. You've now added AI music to your video in CapCut using just the Media tab, the Import button, and a simple drag and drop into the timeline. It's fast, easy, and a great way to make your content feel more polished and professional. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tips, AI editing workflows, and simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.